G'day guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to do the front guards. I'm going to show you from start to finish, the full process, right from cutting rust out, adding a little custom touch and spray painting them. So check it out and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Enjoy. Now while that dries, I'm going to start stripping it. Start off by pulling this ugly mold, get rid of that. It can go straight in the bin. So now I'll unbolt that, unbolt this extension, pull that off, unscrew that guard, the badge from the back, and get it ready for some paint stripper. So I've left this for a while, probably too long. Had things to do, but you can see, look at that, just peeled it straight off with the plastic. I love using paint stripper on acrylic, it just comes off so awesome. So that can go in the bin. And the rest of this should just scrape off nicely with a scraper. If it doesn't, I'll give it another go. Welded up the holes, all the little ones. Also welded up the holes from the mud flaps. And it looks like it had a chrome dress ring on it at some point. So welded up those holes as well. Also this indicator lens, it was all, the inner lip was all missing. And it's a very, very small lip and it's got a bend to it, and you can't buy replacement sections, and there was no way you could make a patch for it. Not unless you have the right metal folders and benders and cutters. So I've just migged all along the edge, built it up. It's not pretty, but now I can grind it up and clean it up with a very small belt sander and make that lip again, just so the light will sit in it and hold it. It's fully covered. Time to grind it. We finished off this little light section. Light fits in there nice. Just gonna fix it up with some filler now. So it's made that lip again. Just filled it up with the MIG, and then combination of using the tip of the angle grinder, the very tip, flat like that on the edge, and a 10mm belt sander for the round corners. I was able to make that lip again because that was all missing, so the light was about to fall through. But now it fits in there good. So now I can put some filler around here and shape it all up and smooth it off. That's the patch welded in. Time to grind it up so I can put some bog over it. While we wait for that filler to dry, if you stuck around on the introduction video of this car where I showed you the car and you met Raisins, at the end of the video we talked about welding these embossed steel logos in the car. So we're going to put this one on the guard. We've got two rocker covers, already cut one out. So I'm going to put it there. So it's exactly 110mm from the edge there and 110mm from that edge, and it's 60mm up from that line. So I think it's a good, nice central spot. It's not too high, it's not too low. I think that's going to look wicked. So I've marked it out with a grey lead, so I can take that away now. And you can see where I've got to cut. So I'm going to cut that line out, clean up these edges and drop it in, MIG it on, and bog it up. Before I paint the outside, I'm going to paint the inside of the guards with stone guard, underbody with my Schultz gun. I've masked up all the edges so I don't get overspray on the primer. And I'm going to paint all inside here black, help with rust prevention and make it look pretty. Looks pretty good. Another job ticked off.